dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very well. And during this time of pandemic, you all are learning new concepts every day. So in today's lecture, we are going to learn about figurative language, the literary devices, similes and metaphors. So are you ready? Let's begin our journey. So dear children, can you see these sentences which are written over here? Few sentences over here are highlighted with red line and few with the blue line. I would like to read the very first sentence. She is as cute as a button. The second sentence, her soft voice is music to my ears. In these two sentences, there is comparison, but in both the sentences, the comparison has been made differently. So let us know what's the difference over here in both these sentences. The very first one is simile. Simile is a comparison of two things using the words like or as. For example, you can see over here in the picture, as sweet as pie, colorful like crayons. Just as in the very first sentence where I showed you the first line of the sentence, that is, she is as cute as a button. So here the direct comparison has been made between the girl and a button. The looks of the girl are just as cute as a button. So here the direct comparison has been made. Here are some more examples of simile. Let us explore more about similes. Today I am feeling as fresh as a daisy. So my feelings, my emotions are compared with a flower. The flower is daisy, which feels very fresh. John runs as fast as lightning. Though John is compared, the running speed of John is compared with the speed of lightning. My best friend is as stubborn as a mule. Now mule you can see in the picture, yes, a donkey. So my friend has been compared with the habit of donkey, the stubbornness of donkey. In this way, when we compare two things by using the words as or like in the sentence, there we can say simile has been used. The second figurative language, the literary device which we are going to study today is metaphor. Now what are metaphors? So metaphor is a comparison in which one thing is said to be another. This is an indirect kind of comparison. Like for example, she is a walking dictionary. So the girl has been compared with a dictionary. Why this kind of comparison has been made? Because the girl might be having a huge vocabulary and she must be knowing the meanings of many words. So she has been compared with a dictionary. So in this way, the indirect comparison has been made in metaphor. Like in this very first picture where I showed you, her soft voice is music to my ears. So here the soft voice of the girl has been compared to music. She has a melodious voice. In this way, when there is indirect comparison between two things, it is said to be metaphor. So again over here with the red lines you can see a sentence, when she is asleep the house is as quiet as a mouse. So what has been used over here in this sentence? Yes, it is simile, because we can see that is direct comparison made over here and the words which are used here as quiet as has been used. And again in the blue line you can see she is my sunshine. So here the indirect comparison has been made between the girl and sunshine. So here it is metaphor. So let us practice more examples of metaphor. So here you can see some more examples. For me, time is money. So time has been indirectly compared to money. Like once you waste it, you spend it, you cannot get it back. The next example, the kids at school are all brains because they are very intelligent. They keep on learning. He is the shining star of our class. Again, here metaphor has been used. She had the heart of a lion, a brave person, right? Her voice was music to my ear. We have seen this example before as well. So in this way, we can we can identify similes and metaphors by looking at the comparison. When there is a direct comparison, we can say it is simile, and when there is indirect comparison, we can say it is metaphor. These figure of speech are used to add beauty to the language. Let us have a quick recap of these similes and metaphor. In this image, my dog is as smelly as dirty soap. Can you identify the figure of speech? Yes, it is simile. Just a short recapitulation of the topic which we have studied today. We have 4 examples over here. Can you all identify whether they are similes or metaphor? The very first one to go, the stars are sparkling diamonds. So, whether it is a simile or metaphor? Yes, it is a metaphor because the indirect comparison is made between stars and diamonds because both of them shines brightly. Toddlers are rug rats. Yes, it is again a metaphor. The toddlers, they keep on moving here and there like little rats. The third one, as he never ate much, his arms were as thin as a rake. I hope you all might have got it very correct this time. Yes, it is simile. The word as has been used and it is a direct comparison made over here. The water is the sea. The water in the sea is as clear as crystal. Yes, again here it is a simile. So, I hope children you all have understood the topic very well. You all have done a wonderful job. Keep up doing these activities to learn more about similes and metaphor. And whenever you are learning a poem, try to identify if a simile or a metaphor has been used in those poems. So, thank you all for your interest and patience to listen to me. Keep learning, stay safe, stay home. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you.